This question, I'm sure, is in mind of each and every person here. What is a typical day at the NDA?
Well, I would start by saying that every day is not just every day.
Of course.
You see different things. But the typical schedule starts that every cadet gets up at 500 hours. You start by preparing your rigs because uniform is an essential part of a defense personnel. After that, the whole squadron musters in the SCON parade ground for reciting the NDA prayer and honor code. That is basically the moral base, the discipline, the ethics that a cadet is supposed to follow during the whole day and even after being commissioned, which is followed by ODT, that is outdoor training, which can be PT, drill or academics. After that schedule, you go, change, have your breakfast and you proceed for classes. During the tenure of 3 years of training, we are also pursuing a bachelor's degree. That can be BA, BSc or BTech in my case. So the classes are conducted for the same from 9 to 1, which is followed by lunch. After that, the whole squadron assembles for games period, in which the cadets practice games, learn different games, PT, physical training, do practice for camps, drillcom and all the subsequent events that are lined up. After this, there is a study period for 2 hours in which we are supposed to study, go through the books and revise what was taught in the classes, go through the newspapers for geopolitical updates. After that, we have anteroom procedure. Anteroom is basically the squadron appointments pass you the orders for the next day, the conduct and the behavior that is expected out of a cadet, if there are any mistakes or any appreciation that is done during that procedure, which is followed by dinner. Then again, cadets assemble for squadron period. The special thing about that time is everything is controlled by the cadets. The senior cadets, they organize and they decide what is to be done. So ND is basically a cadet-driven academy, which teaches you leadership on ground. After that, cadets change, have their own time work and go to sleep at 20 to 15 hours.
Wow, what a roller coaster of a day, right? I mean, I'm just tired hearing of it, but I've understood one thing.